How to get started with Solflare Wallet. Open your Solflare Wallet after downloading the official Solflare Wallet application in the App Store or Play Store. Now you have the option to create a new wallet or use an existing wallet. You can also choose to continue with Ledger or Keystone. For the purpose of this video, we will create a new wallet. In the next step, you need to confirm that you understand the importance of the secret recovery phrase and press Continue. Now press on the Show button to reveal your recovery phrase. Make sure to write down your phrase immediately and store this in a safe place. Do not share this code with anyone. Solflare Wallet needs you to confirm that the recovery phrase has been written down. After you completed this, you need to press Continue to confirm. In the next step, you need to enter a new passcode. This passcode will be used to unlock your app. Now Solflare is asking you to enable biometrics. For Android, you can set up a biometric security, and for iOS, you can secure your wallet using Face ID. For the purpose of this video, we choose to do this at a later stage. In the last step, you need to choose if you want to receive notifications from Solflare Wallet. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.